Hi guys, welcome back. So today I am cleaning my room. I'm cleaning my closet, my desk, and since I'm a super minimalistic person, it just seems like a good thing to do because I think it's so easy to get used to having stuff and being like, well, that person has more than me, so therefore I'm okay with all this stuff. But still, when you have less, it means you have to clean up less. So give or choose, I mean, it's your choice. And also, please subscribe below, make my community grow further. And if you have any other any video ideas, put them down below. And as always, let us continue on. From here, and you're like, yay! It's like, uh-oh. Beginner one stage, you have to realize what you wear a whole lot and what you don't. The stuff you don't wear and you're keeping for whatever odd reason, you have to figure out why you keep it, or if you're saving it for a special occasion, or why you're not wearing it at all. So going through back here is actually one from probably here below. I just don't wear a lot of the stuff. Shoes. How many shoes should a girl have? Well, I know a lot of people have like, oh my gosh, I need 50 pairs of shoes. But honestly, you only need 3. 1 for activities / sports. 2 like cool kid shoes, like just walking around in, like maybe sporty ones like Nike or something, I don't know. Or just walking around shoes. 3 heels or pumps or just sandals of / like something you want to wear when you're like trying to look nice. And also, this is like optional boots. Boots are amazing for like cold weather or like snow or rain. Keep that in mind. So 4 pairs of shoes or 3, depending on how you look at it. And I'm putting all my hair products in. This is like a hair mask, my 2 hair brushes. This is my denim brush and my regular brush, hairspray, all that jazz. And also, this part is reserved for my makeup, so I'm having it all in one. You know, people can be attached to journals, diaries, paper, books. These are paper-oriented things. My deep cleaning for my room. Hope it's helpful. And subscribe as always.